Do you want to post comments in multiple Facebook groups automatically? In this video, I'll show you how to comment on Facebook groups in bulk. With automation, you can save hours of manual posting every day. The tool we're using today is MKTCare, a powerful Facebook automation software. MKTCare allows you to join multiple groups, schedule posts, and send comments automatically. You can prepare a list of groups and customize different comment templates. The software supports spinning text to make each comment unique, reducing spam detection. For example, you can comment with different variations like promotions, greetings, or call to action messages. You can schedule comments to run at specific times or spread them out throughout the day. The tool simulates real user behavior, scroll, wait, and comment with natural delays. By using this bulk comment method, you can boost engagement, drive traffic, and promote your business effectively. This method is perfect for affiliate marketers, online sellers, and community managers. With MKTCare, everything is fully automated and runs 24/7 while you focus on other tasks. Start your bulk Facebook group commenting today and maximize your marketing reach. Contact me to get your free trial now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more automation tips.